everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making a bacon, leek and potato bake. Well, one bacon and one without. Dev's a vegetarian.
I don't eat meat.
So Dev's just having the leek and potato. Again, food bank ingredients. We did have bacon delivered out last week, so I was told. And yes, every week there are vegetables brought in, and we're going to use our faithful tinned soup as our wet ingredient. Okay, so I'm just preparing the potatoes while Dev's chopping his leeks.
Into roughly equal sizes, if we can. Okay, we're cutting the potatoes nice and thin so that they're going to be layered.
Dev's second attempt. First attempt, Dev's, mine. These will take some time to cook, Dev.
Yes, but I like them bigger.
So finally sliced, ready for layering. While Dev is doing that, I can prepare the bacon. Okay, so literally streaky bacon, chopped up. Yeah, nothing too fancy. Okay, last thing then is to layer up the leek and potato bake. Dev's doing obviously his without the meat, and I'm going to layer of bacon between mine. So literally potato leek, potato leek, potato leek, and then we drizzle the mushroom soup as the wet ingredient to finish. So let's start layering up.
Ratio, right? You're on.
I got an extra ingredient to put in mine, so I'm at a disadvantage. Okay, now we've assembled our bakes. Prizes for the prettiest.
Prizes for which tastes better at the end.
Last thing to do, our tinned soup. Okay, our wet ingredients. Slowly drizzle. Let's hope some of it goes down in between the layers of potato. It will during cooking. Last touch, mix salt and pepper seasoning. Again, just for taste. And then into the oven. Okay.
What's the oven today?
Well, that's an electric oven we have, so it's about 160.
So it's about a gas mark 4, I should imagine.
And there we have it. Hour, or just over an hour in the oven, and our bacon, leek and potato bake is ready for serving. Looks and smells delicious.
And that's the vegetarian one, of course, without the bacon.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Aros yn adref.
Cadw'n saff.
Ta-da!
Hwyl.